What go on, my people? So it's application of the star that foota hype is looking handout. You know what I mean? And people are just, foota hype is a big joke. You know what I mean? Because I don't know what's his profession anymore. Because he's not even a selector. You know what I mean? Because when last foota hype name was called on any big project, all he's doing is being on social media, trying to get a forward. You know what I mean? He's not even going to be remembered for anything more than being on social media. From the time that he dissed Bounty Killer, it's like his career just going in a spiral downwards. Because all he's doing is going on social media claiming that he has loyal fans. And I'm going to tell people why he's doing this. He's doing this because a couple months from now, he's going to say he's the first selector to do it, and he has real fans and boasts about it, because this is who the foota hype is. You know what I mean? But he has no name. He has no name for himself. You know what I mean? From the time when he tried to diss Bounty Killer, it's like, what have he achieved? Bounty Killer have achieved so many things since that time that he tried to diss Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? Because Bounty Killer was the one who used to fed this guy foota hype. I call him aka looka hype. You know what I mean? Because all he do is just go on social media and try to get his name entangled in some controversy. Like he did with Marlon Samuels. You know what I mean? Because that's the type of person he is. He's like the Vegas of selecting. Vegas is the Vegas of dancehall DJing. He's the Vegas of selecting. That's who foota hype is to me, because that's how I see him. You know what I mean? Because this is what he does. And I'm sure a couple months from now, he's going to be on social media boasting about it. Because right now, if someone is to say that foota hype don't have money to buy a cell phone, he's going to jump out and say, look how money me have. Because he likes to talk. And he's going to be on social media just showing off money, because he probably have some cash on him that time. And he's going to say, oh, this is what I'm walking around with. Because that's the person he is. You know what I mean? And he's exploiting it. But exploiting it doing what? You're not making, it's not like you're a recording artist, or not like you're this big social media person. You should leave these things to Winfred Williams and Anthony Miller. You know what I mean? Because you're taking their job. What is your profession? Foota hype. You're not a selector anymore. It's like you're just on social media just trying to look forward for doing what? For just talking. You're not Raga Shanti. You're just walking around like someone wearing a panty. You know what I mean? So, people, I don't know why the star have him on, but all I'm saying is that foota hype is just looking forward like he always does. You know what I mean? He's a social media whore. You see me? So big up on yourself, my people. Peace. I'm out.
In the country, you have to look pan. And him do great works too, because even though him did jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them did want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.